Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best parchment paper is probably one of the most versatile baking tools you can have in your kitchen, saving you time and frustration by preventing sticking and making cleanup a breeze. This video will explore the various types of parchment paper available, helping you choose the perfect one for your baking needs and demonstrating its many uses, from lining baking sheets to creating beautiful pastries. Number 5. Reynolds Kitchen's Pop-Up Parchment. Say goodbye to measuring. These pre-cut parchment sheets are ready to use, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. It's designed for one-handed use. The convenient pop-up box makes grabbing a sheet quick and easy. They're sized to fit most standard baking pans. No more struggling with oversized or undersized parchment. You can reuse them up to 3 times. It's oven safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and helps prevent food from sticking. Use it for everything from rolling out dough to baking, and cleanup is easy, too. It's even home compostable. What we like? It's pre-cut and comes in a convenient pop-up box, so grabbing a sheet is quick and easy. It also fits most standard baking pans, saving you measuring time. If you value convenience and ease of use, this is the perfect choice for your baking needs. What people say? Perfect for use in the oven and refrigerator. No uneven tearing from roll. I like how this product is pre-cut. The box works like a tissue box, pulling one out at a time. It's great for baking projects. We cook a lot of food in the oven and use parchment paper all the time. Yup, thought this was a great idea, but they were too short for my cooking tray. I didn't even think about the length when I bought it. LOL, oh well, I still use them for veggies and items that don't have liquid, for I keep my tray clean. Number 4. Reynolds Kitchen Sheets. Introducing Reynolds Kitchen Sheets, pre-cut parchment paper for easy baking. It's the perfect size for standard cookie sheets, saving you time and effort. These double-folded sheets are perfectly sized and lay flat without curling. No more messy cutting or uneven baking. They feature helpful 1 and 2-inch guidelines for even spacing of your cookies or other treats. Baking has never been easier. It's oven safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and non-stick, protecting your cookie sheets and making cleanup a breeze. Plus, they're reusable up to 3 times. Use them from rolling to measuring to baking. It's home compostable for an eco-friendly cleanup. Enjoy baking with confidence. Reynolds Kitchen Sheets are the perfect solution for all your baking needs. They're convenient, efficient, and environmentally friendly. What we like? The sheets are pre-cut and double-folded to prevent curling, ensuring flat baking surface every time. Plus, the smart grid lines help you space your baked goods evenly. If you need precise spacing in a flat, curl-free sheet, this is the one for you. What people say? I use these for regular baking, but also to line my soap molds. I make cold processed soap in wood molds, and these convenient sheets are the perfect size for my smaller wood molds. The trade-off is that these sheets are so much easier to use. That has more to do with the fact that they are able to lay flat on a baking sheet easily, unlike a roll where it seems to remember its curled-up shape. This makes them so much easier to use, not the fact that it's likely already cut to size if you're using them on a large baking sheet, though that's certainly an added bonus if you are. I had a chewy oatmeal raisin cookie recipe I had stopped making because they stuck to the cookie sheet so badly, no matter which cookie sheet I used and how much I greased it. I tried using these and was blown away. The cookies literally slide right off. You don't even need a spatula. Not only that, but you can use the same sheet 3 times. Number 3. SMARTAKE 200 PCS Parchment Paper. Say goodbye to cutting and curling. These pre-cut sheets make baking so much easier. They lay flat and are ready to use. This huge pack gives you 200 unbleached, non-toxic sheets. They're perfect for baking, grilling, frying, or steaming, and they can withstand temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's time to say goodbye to stuck-on food. Cookies and bread slide right off, making cleanup a breeze. No more curled edges or wrinkles. They arrive flat and ready to use, saving you time and frustration. Measuring 12 by 16 inches, they fit standard baking sheets perfectly. Clean edges ensure a smooth baking experience. The slim box keeps them neatly organized and won't take up much space in your kitchen. What we like? With 200 sheets, this is a great value option that's perfect for frequent bakers. The non-stick surface ensures easy cleanup, and the unbleached material is a healthier choice. If you bake often and want a large quantity at a great price, this is perfect for you. What people say. Having a stack of these on hand is so much easier than using parchment paper. I keep them near my microwave, and if I want to reheat a BOGO breakfast sandwich from McDonald's, I just wrap it up in one of these and zap it. I also use them to wrap a potato in to make a baked potato in the microwave. Love these sheets. I always use parchment paper on my cookie sheets because it makes cleanup so much easier, and I really like this pre-cut sheets, easy to store and one less box in the wrapper drawer. These are quality parchment sheets, and are a great size. They almost cover a regular size cookie sheet. They are good quality and help you not have to use aluminum foil. You will still have some cleanup to do, but these sheets certainly help with that too. Number 2. 200 PCS Parchment Paper Baking Sheets. It's extra thick and durable, so you can easily lift food without breaking. Plus, it's more cost-effective than other options. With 200 pre-cut sheets, perfectly sized for half-sheet pans, it's incredibly convenient. No more measuring or cutting. Made from FSC-certified wood pulp, it's unbleached, non-toxic, and BPA-free. It's also oven and microwave safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. They're non-stick, so baked goods slide right off. Cleaning is a breeze, and it prevents sticking between layers. Use them for baking cookies, cakes, or even wrapping sandwiches. It's perfect for cooking, grilling, air frying, and steaming. What we like. These extra thick sheets are durable and less likely to tear, making them a cost-effective choice in the long run. They're also pre-cut and come in a handy 200 count box. If durability and value are your priorities, this is the option for you. What people say. Works great, works better than aluminum foil, and is easy to clean up. You can bake cookies on it, or prepare some prepackaged potato croquettes or some Texas toast. Very large sheets of parchment paper that is good to go in the oven up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This is my second purchase of this product. I bake a lot and would be lost or at least working a lot harder without this terrific parchment paper. I cut it to size for lining loaf pans or round cake pans and use full sheets for cookie sheets and such. I love using flat sheets versus wrestling with curly parchment from a roll. Number 1. Katbite 200 PCS Parchment Paper. It's made of extra thick 45 GSM paper, about 12% thicker than others. This makes it incredibly strong and reliable for all your baking needs. No more cutting or dealing with curled edges. These sheets are pre-cut and ready to use, saving you valuable time and effort. Made from 100% natural wood pulp and completely free of harmful substances. It's food grade and safe for your family. It's perfect for baking cookies, cooking, air frying, and even freezing. It can withstand temperatures from -68 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Say goodbye to messy cleanup. Food slides right off, and you simply discard the paper after use. Baking has never been easier. What we like. Made from extra thick, heavy-duty material, it's incredibly strong and less prone to tearing. The pre-cut design and non-stick surface make baking and cleanup a breeze. If you need a strong, reliable parchment paper that's easy to use, this is a great choice. What people say. These are a time saver. Fit perfectly in my pans and save scrubbing time. Very good quality. We have reordered this parchment paper several times. We use it for baking cookies, roasting vegetables, slow cooking ribs, cooking frozen biscuits, almost anything we use a cookie sheet for. Everything slides right off, and the cleanup is so much easier. They're ready to go on the pan. They make cleaning up easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.